If you have not done this setting in your laptop computer, then you may face a lot of problems, like sometimes our computer has a blue screen, the window crashes, the window does not load. So what we can do in that case is that we have to enable the restore point in our computer from the beginning. For this, we will search for the restore point. Here we will go to the creator restore point. Here you can see there is a C drive. Here the protection is off. We have to turn it on, so we will select it. There is an option below. Click on Configure, so turn on the system protection. And from here, you can give it size, according to GB, so I will give it size. I applied 15 GB, okay? And after that, we have to create a restore point. All the settings of my system will remain in this restore point. If there is any problem, then I will go through this restore point again. Whatever my computer is still there, it will go from there. So it can take some time to create a restore point from here. After that, it will be successfully restored. It is done here. So we will close it from here, and we will check it. To check it, we will go to the System Restore and click. And here you can see that this restore point has been created. So guys, if there is any problem, my system, my computer, does not boot, then in that case, what can I do? I will turn on this advanced option. I can restore the system here and fix it. This system will be fixed. So guys, for this kind of information, subscribe to my channel, Support Hub. Take care. Bye-bye.